Hey, hello, Don here, the German 3D printing nerd. Yeah, well, I was told to make a video. You know, Murphy's Law. Always saying when shit happens, you can expect more to happen. And that is so true. But, yeah. Last weekend, because I was sick, I couldn't do a live stream. But, on the other side, it wouldn't have been a good one anyway, because, well, I'm still waiting for some paint. And still waiting for delivery from new thermistors for my Wanhao D9 so that I can continue printing. Yeah, and then the best, well, down below in the description you will see a Facebook link. Take a look if you want. Yeah, you know, I've been ringing around with it about 2 months now. My electro scooter, normally it's supposed to travel at 12 kilometers per hour. It only travels at about 8. And started a couple of months ago. I was hearing some kind of funny noises every time when I was driving. And then when I was going a little bit uphill, the thing would get slower and slower and slower. I mean, it'd get up the hill, but didn't get up like it did when I got that thing 3 years ago. And anyway, I brought it over to a repair station that's in the hospital close to me, orthopedic hospital, and they have a repair station there. And I asked the guy there if he could take a look at it. And he said, "Yeah, that's no problem for me to take a look at it." I was there for about an hour. He put that thing up on a lift, looked underneath it, then he took a look at the motor and the transmissions and everything. Then we lowered it a little bit, and then even with that thing even having any weight on the wheels, you know, it's giving some gas and listening to the sounds, and I could hear it too. You could hear some grinding noises, as if the gears are grinding a little bit. And then the biggest problem is the gearbox. It doesn't have any type of a nipple where you can insert some fat in, or oil, pressing oil into it, or hydraulic fluid or whatever. Yeah. And he looked in his computer, because I asked him, "Yeah, what do you think this is going to cost me to get this thing repaired?" He said, "Well, considering that the company doesn't give anymore, we're going to have problems trying to find parts for it, but we'd have to change out not only the motor, the transmission, and the rear wheels. We'll have to change out the framework on the back side too, so that we can put a newer motor in there." And then he's saying, "Well, you know what? You're going to have to think about €1,000 for costs, and you know, in eBay, you can get a new one for about 1,800, 1,900, €2,000, which is true. I took a look. I found one. The supplier has a lot of them there, and he guarantees me in a couple of months he still has some for €1,799. Maybe even be that when it comes to order one, that he will also give me a reduction on the price to get one." But yeah, this video is more or less call for help from the 3D family. And if you take a look at the link, you'll see we'll probably be showing everything in German at first, but just press on show original text, because I wrote everything in English. And for those of you that don't have a credit card to donate through that donation organization from PayPal, from Facebook, I also have my PayPal address down below. That money, that'll stay on PayPal until the total sum comes together, and then that'll be transferred over to that company. But anyway, I wish you all a nice day, nice evening, happy printing, take care of yourself.